so I don't remember what it was. Somebody's like, "Did you just sneeze and fart at the same time?" I was like, "Yes." Do you think people heard? Like, yes. Miss K had she was like, Miss K, like we were sitting. It was a circle discussion. Miss K is sitting like 2 seats down from mine. And I'm like, oh my god. What did I? Oh no! The whole thing's like,
Hey, heard you.
she was like right next door.
No,
she like stop everything.
Dude, so listen to this. Listen to this. So one day we're sleeping at the Noltics. We're sleeping at the Noltics, and it's like 9:30. So Carrie comes down to see how messy the basement is. And so Malik's facing this way with his butt, and she reaches over the couch.
No. She's trying to.
And she's reaching down to find the remote.
And she's like,
and Malik rips the biggest fart in the world in her hair, just shooting that. And I'm just watching her like, oh shit, she's just. And oh my, she stands up, she's like,
Malik, what the heck was that?
Oh shit.